Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. Welcome to Islam is Beautiful. I hope you all will be fine and enjoying your day. Dear friends, now we are starting our 5th class in Islam is Beautiful. In this 5th class, inshallah, we will discuss about the 4 different kinds of little amount of water. Before classes like class number 2 and 3, we discussed about the waters, like types of water, but those water which are very large in size, very large amount of water. Now we will discuss in today's class, we will discuss about the small amount of water. So when the water are very small, very large, very small in size, like we can say very little amount of water. So in little amount of water, the water are of 4 types. Like for example, when you have a tub full of water and that tub is about 15 liters of water, containing the 15 liters of water. So now that is called a small amount of water. So according to this little amount of water, the water are of 4 types. The first types of water is that it is clean and you can use it for the cleaning purpose. And that water is that water which is used by a horse or a man. Like for example, if a man come and drink from that 15L water, and now the whole water we can say mix, because the human drink from it. If for example, if 15 liter water are placed in a tub and then a horse came and then he drink water from that, so now that water is clean itself. You can use it for the ablution, and also you can use for all the things, for the bath, etc., etc. These are absolutely clean water. This is the first type of water. Or for example, if that kind of animal came and then they drank from that water, so now that water is also clean. Those animals which we use for eating, like for example the cow, the buffalo, ox, sheep, goat. Now these animals are those animals that we use for eating purpose. We can slaughter that animal and also we eat them. So if these animals came and then they drink from those water, so now that water will not be dirty. It is clean and you can use for the ablution, and also you can use for the bathing or for other cleaning purpose. This is the first kind of water, small water, little amount of water. Now the second type of little amount of water is that it cannot be used for the cleaning purpose. Neither you cannot be used for the ablution, or neither you cannot it used for the cleaning purpose. And now that water is that when the dog drink from that water, or when the dog drink from, or when the pig drink from that water. Pig means khanzir. If the pig or if the dog, if these two animals were came and then they drink from the small amount of water, so now these whole water are dirty. You cannot use in any condition for the ablution or not for the taking the bath. Now these are completely dirty water. Did you understand? Or if those animal came, those animal which eat other animals. Now these animals are not allowed. Those animals which eat another animal, so now these animals are not allowed to drink water from that animal. If those animal which eat another animal, and if that animal came and they drink that water, 15 ml of water, 15 liter of water, so now this water are completely dirty, because these animals are called carnivorous, because they eat another animals. I hope you understand. If those animals which eat another animals, and a dog or pig. If any one of these three came and drink the water, and now this whole water are completely dirty. I hope you understand. Now the third kind of water. The third kind of small amount of water, these are makruh. Makruh means that if there is not availability of clean water, so you can use it. But if there are clean water are available, so then you cannot use that water. If clean amount of water are available, then you cannot use from that water. Or if clean water are not available, then you can use that. And now which water are that water? So that water when cat or rabbit, if any one of these two animals, if they came and then they drink water from that small amount of water, so now these water are called makruh. Like you can use in the absence of clean water, you can use that of water. But if there is clean water available, so then you cannot use it. I hope you understand. This is the third kind. Now the fourth kind of water, the fourth type of water is that water, and that water are neither you can use or neither you can't use. These two are like, we can say it's doubt water. It's a doubtful water, and that water are when the donkey came and then the donkey drank water. So now these water are called doubtful water. You cannot use it for ablution or for bathing or for other thing, etc., etc. These are called doubtful water. So I hope you understand that if the water are in limited condition, a very small amount of water, so these four conditions are available. So the first condition is allowed, the second condition is not allowed, the third condition is makruh, and the fourth condition are doubtful. You cannot use it. So I hope you understand. Thanks for watching.